Today I'm going to show you 3 easy seam finishes. Seam allowances in this video are 5/8 of an inch. What that means is from the seam line, it's 5/8 inch from the edge. Let's pretty up some edges. Number 1, pinking. I love this seam finish because it's super easy and it's so cute. Simply take your pinking shears and snip just at the edge of the seam allowance. This seam finish is best used with stable fabrics that tend not to fray. Make sure you are using fabric pinking shears versus crafting. Number 2, we've got our good old Zig Zag Finish. Change your machine to a Zig Zag Stitch. I find that a medium stitch width and a short stitch length works well in this application. Position your needle so that it drops off the fabric just to the right of the seam allowance. Then you can begin stitching. You can use this finish on pretty much any material. It's a great overall option. Number 3, and probably my favorite, is the clean finish. This one is great when you aren't lining your project. It looks so professional and beautiful. To achieve this look, you need to first open up your fabric and press your seam open. Next, grab one side of your seam allowance and we're going to fold it back approximately a 1/4 inch or so. If you have an iron handy, it's best to press. Here, I'll flip it back so you can kind of see what it will look like when we're done. Now grab the other side of your seam allowance and fold it back the opposite direction. Make sure that it's nice and even. Once again, press if you can. Take it to the sewing machine and sew down each side individually. I am such a big fan of this look. Which one's your favorite? Need sewing supplies? Click that link in the bio. Also visit us at sewingpartsonline.com.